Okay, good day guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniel and welcome to Learn with Crown Tech. It's been a very long time here, but on today's video, I want to very quickly show us how we can get our WAEC original certificate from this online portal that I'm going to show us. So all you need to do is just follow what I'm going to be showing you step by step, bit by bit, till we arrive at our final destination. Most people have lodged complaint to me about them getting WAEC original certificate. Most of them go to the school they did the WAEC and they'll say they are billing them, charging them a lot of money. But with this website, within few minutes and just little amount of money compared to how much your school is going to charge you or how much online vendors are going to charge you, you are going to get this done all by yourself. So what you need to do is now get a seat and watch from the beginning to the ending. And before we proceed, welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn with Crown Tech. In this YouTube channel, all we do is to look for things people are or look for issues or problems people are facing or having issue with, then we find a solution to it. So all you need to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and also like this video and comment if you enjoy this video. So the first thing you need to do is go to this website that is displaying on my screen, portal.waec.org. So you can do this process with your laptop, you can do this process with your mobile phone, you can do it with any of your smartphone, your iPhone, your Android devices. So what you need to do is go to your browser. I'm using my Chrome. Go to your browser and type portal.waec.org on your browser and send it. So once you get here, I'm going to walk you through. Once you go to, you see the WAEC digital certificate. Now you can see access certificate here, and it's asking me to log in. Can you see? So once you go to that website, it's going to take you immediately to this place. So you can do two things here. One is maybe you already have an account and you want to log in, while second thing is to create an account. But for your case, you don't have an account, you want to create an account, I'll walk you through how to create an account. But for me, I already have an account. All I'll just do is to log in with my account. Can you see? I already have an account. I'll just log in with my account. So all I need to do is just come to this create account. If you don't have an account, I'll click. It says you don't have permission to access resource, maybe because I've created an account before with this email. So all I need to do is log in. So the creating of account is not something hard. All you need to do is use the name you use to write the WAEC, like your original name, your normal name, your full name, to make the registration on this particular account. You need to use your original name to make a registration on this account. Since I'm using my laptop, let me check on my phone and see if I'll be able to register here too, because my phone is taking me directly to the portal. So even my phone is saying I can't access this. You need to log in to continue. You don't have access to this page, which means since I already create an account, I cannot create an account again with the same browser or with the same IP address. I think that is the reason why I'm unable to create an account. So but for you who don't have an account, you have not created an account before, just click on the create account link here. Once you click on it, it will take you to another page where you are going to create an account. Put your original name, your full name, your surname, the same way it is on your WAEC result, or the same way it is when you wrote your WAEC. Then fill other necessary details. Once you are done, a verification email will be sent to you on your if you are for those who are using phone, a verification email will be sent to you. Once you leave that page, that the verification email, you need to put that verification code and you go and check your email. Once you come back, you will not see it there again. All you need to do is try to log in and it will take you back to that verification page again. But for those people using laptop, you can get your email on your phone and input your verification code on that page and you continue. So once you continue, then we'll proceed. Let me log in now. Let me try to log in so that I'll proceed to my account. Now this is my account. Can you see my name? This is my name here. So exactly the way I use it when I want to write to my WAEC, exactly the way it is on my WAEC certificate or my WAEC result. So one thing, I've already gotten my own certificate. This is it here. If I click on certificate, you see this is my certificate, the year, the exam, the year, the exam type, May June exam, and the center number. So can you see? So for you who have not gotten any certificate, if you are using a laptop, this is what is going to bring to you. Now all you need to do is click on access. But before you click on access, the amount to pay to access your original certificate from this portal is 7,500. So all you can do is just come to wallet and fund your wallet. Can you see? So you need to fund your wallet, but it's not here. So but let's proceed before that. So when you come to this place, you input the country is set to Nigeria already. Then you put your exam year. Let's say this is the exam year. Can you see? Exam type May June, like I told you. Your date of birth is actually optional, so you don't need it. Then this exam candidate number, let me just put something. I'll confirm it. This is not my candidate number. I just put any figure. You can't even copy and paste. 4233556576. It might be somebody candidate number, but I don't know. I just write it from my head. So once you have done that, you click on I have verified this information and click on agreed. But I'll advise you to read all these terms and conditions before you proceed. You understand? But when you click on agreed, then you click on access certificate. Now it will now preview it for you again, and you check if it is exactly what you want to continue with. So if everything is correct, you're I credited this wallet with what 30 units, which is the 7,500, somehow 7,600. Then I make use of it. They now later debited it, accessing. So once you credit, you make that funding, it will come to this wallet that you have credited 30 units. So once you have done that, you now come back to this access again. Then you now continue with all those all these process that you can see everything is even there. So you just need to re-enter your candidate name again, then proceed. Once you click on access, let me enter it again. 4233556576. So once you click on agreed and you continue and you click on access, this is the second time, which means you have already funded yourself. So once you click on access and you click on continue, it will not bring this again. It will just tell you that you already funded your wallet. Will you continue to use your wallet and access your certificate? You now click on continue or click on yes, depending how the case may be. Then when you click on continue, it will just process and it will bring out, it will tell you that your certificate has been processed. Then you come come to this certificate. So once your certificate has been accessed, you are going to see it like this. It will appear like this. All you need to do is click on it. Once you click on it, then I'll show you how to download it to your device. Either you are using your phone. Now it will appear like this. This is a preview page. So it will appear like this. It is loading. Can you see it has loaded? So look for this icon, this second icon. This one is copy icon, or to copy the link. Then this next icon is the download icon. Do you understand? So just click on this download icon. Can you see? And it will download as a PDF to your what? To your mobile device. So I've downloaded it. If I open it now, it has finished downloading. And if I open it, it's going to what? It's going to show my what? My WAEC certificate. So that's the easy step you can use to what? That's the easy step you can use to access your original WAEC certificate without going to WAEC office, without going back to the school you did your WAEC. So do you understand? So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, because we are going to be dropping more valuable video to you all time. You are welcome, and my name is Daniel.